Arsenal 1. Shakthar Donetsk 0. We are currently smoking the Worm is Turning pack. I didn't want to say or be the guy that said, I told you so. However, I told you so, innit? So we're going to tell you, innit? Because that's how it is. Paint watches Arsenal dry. It's not like watching paint dry when you watch Arsenal. Paint watches Arsenal dry. We are so boring, it is crazy. We got extremely fortunate tonight. Extremely fortunate tonight. We were trash. But like I said, the worm is turning. This season, it all unfolds in front of our very eyes. And I have 4 of them now and predicted all of this. I said we'd get mad injuries this season. We've got mad injuries this season. Again, Calafiori, who dropped another stinker, by the way, is probably going to be out for some time. It looks like he's done a knee, maybe even an ACL, maybe even an ankle and a knee, because the way he did the splits and the way his knee twisted and his ankle, not very nice. I can't lie. Hopefully he's all right. However, what did we just watch? Piss poor performances all over the park. Benny Benidorm. In fact, let's go back to the start. Make sure you sub to the channel. Very close to 104k. Make sure you sub to Lee Reacts. That's over 33k. Big up to all of you lot. Some mutant decided to put Real Madrid on at the same time. At least I watched it on my Mac. Vinny Jr., the real star boy, by the way. Just saying, they got booed off at half time, 2-0 down. Accountability, I keep telling you guys. Availability is not the best ability because you can be available and still be trash every game. A little bit like Gabby Jesus, but we'll get to that in a minute. You know, if you're available every game, which he has been recently, you've been trash every game. Yeah, if you're available all season and you're still trash, availability isn't the best ability, is it? Accountability is, and guess what? We don't have that at our football club. However, the worm is turning, and the worm will turn, and the worm will poke its head out at the end of the season, and more people will actually go, do you know what? He was on to saying on the 25th of November 2019, which is just under a month away, by the way. 1 month and 2 days to the exact day, 5 years ago, I said, this manager ain't good enough, mate. 5 years deep, 800 million quid deep, and we're parking the bus at home to Shakthar Donetsk. Okay, cool. Let's go with the goalkeeper. Man of the match. Man of the match. Again, just deep that, yeah? That's probably about 4 or 5 man of the matches I've given him this season. Embarrassing. Let's go to Benny Benidorm. I said he'd get the treatment of Aaron, friends of Aaron in the bin. Hooked at half time, yeah? Cool. Man like Party at right back. The only surprise is that they never attacked Party's side. He looked like Oliver running around smoking a blunt. I can't lie. What was that all about? Anyway, Saliba and Gabriel weren't great either, were they? They weren't bad, but they weren't great. Let's go left back. Calafiori. This guy's trash. I told you I told you lot even. He's trash. He ain't good enough. Calafiori is not good enough for this football club. Not good enough. Hopefully he's okay. Hopefully he's not injured badly because we've got players dropping like flies in defence. Maybe it's the way we play defensive football. Trying to be slick and smart and all of that. Yeah, cool. Okay. The worm is turning pack is nearly finished. Let's go into midfield. Thomas Partey. Probably the best of a bad bunch in midfield again. Declan Couscous back again. Yeah. What are we doing here? In fact, it's not even Declan Couscous, Declan Canoa. Like, what are we doing here? This guy really does look like he's been tranquilized. Running in quicksand. Running in a swimming pool. You know when you try and run in a swimming pool, you're like, that's how he's running. What are we doing in midfield, by the way? But anyway, is what it is. Trossard. You got the assignment, mate. You're definitely Arteta out. Tactics. Because that was one of the worst individual performances I've seen from you since you've been at the club. So you definitely got the memo, my guy. Big up Trossard. Yeah, he's fully Arteta out. He missed a penalty in pre-season. He didn't celebrate a goal in pre-season. He didn't really want to celebrate a goal, but Saliba kind of forced him to do his binocular thing for about 2 seconds in a league game this season. And he missed a penalty today. I've seen top gooners around the world crying, why didn't 29 take it? Why not? Yeah, maybe he's Arteta out as well. Because he was getting the ump a lot in that game. It's what it is. This is 5 years deep of the process, guys. But don't worry, winner have puppies soon, so we can trust the process a bit more. Super Jack Wilshere looks like he could be going to Norwich as their manager, unless I've missed any breaking news and he's not. But no doubt Super Duper Mick's son will take over the under-18s because it's jobs for the boys at this club, isn't it? But anyway, no Ethan again, by the way. Just saying. Anyway, guys. Gabby Jesus, biblical stinker and hooked. He's trash. Absolutely trash. Ship that guy off back to Bolivia. Yeah, deport him. He's trash. He's rubbish. He's absolutely awful. I can't lie. He is rubbish, mate. Yeah, I don't want to hear nothing. He's rubbish. Let's go to the other side. Martinelli. Oh, but he got a goal. No, he didn't. It was an own goal. At least he had a shot. At least he actually ran around a bit. At least he actually tried. Because Arthur walked around tranquilized. Again, it was like the edibles I had against Leicester. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But don't worry, guys. Trust the process. Heads up and on to the next and that. 3 crucial points in our qualification for a tournament we're not going to end up winning. So we're just prolonging the inevitable. Anyway, 29, not good enough. Not good enough. Yeah. However, I will say this about 29. Yeah, he did get himself putting himself about the pitch, and he did lay up some nice chances today. But because of our brain dead Gabby Jesus, and not being able to finish a wank, didn't really work out, did it? Yeah, real talk. This team stinks. Jorginho, what did you do? Oh, let's go to Shillings. You've not seen the best of me. I think we have, mate. I think that was at Man City when KDB gave you a career. You're trash. Not good enough. Go back Chelsea, bruv. Real talk. That performance absolutely stunk. That was one of the worst under this manager as well, by the way. Because if you actually deep it, 5 years in December, this manager's been here. 5. My forehead weren't this big. But yes, I'm fuming with the performance, but I kind of told you so, innit? Yeah, I said it wouldn't surprise me if we drew or lost tonight. I predicted 2-1 to Arsenal. However, I expected a better performance than that. Yeah, that was disgusting. It was disgusting. Yeah, absolutely awful performance. Skelly come on. Didn't really do a great deal. Is what it is, isn't it? Yeah, it's the history of Arsenal under Arteta. Yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, awful performances all over the pitch. I can't lie. Yeah, it's pathetic. Yeah, absolutely pathetic. Yeah, real talk. Yeah, who have I missed? I've missed somebody. I've missed one. This is how bored I am. I was more interested in the Madrid game. At least they actually fucking played football in the second half. First half, they were shit. Who else have I missed? Smash these likes up, guys. Kenny's outside the ground. Jez and Matty, emergency meeting after this. Liverpool on Sunday is going to be a massacre by the looks of it as it stands. Who have I missed? Who have I missed, lads? Who have I missed? Oh, Mikel Merino. How could I forget Mikel Merino? I told you he's crap. He's crap. We signed Sociedad's 3rd or 4th best midfielder, but you man are saying he can unlock Martinelli. Yeah, he couldn't even unlock his fucking suitcase when he landed. Is what it is. Maybe they got one of the pickpockets to sort it out. Because let's be real, another one. He's not good enough. The amount of money this club has wasted on average footballers is crazy. But I'm negative in it. I'm negative. But don't worry. Come May, yeah, judging May and all that, yeah. I want to see the apologies as lads of the disrespect for the last 5 years. On to Liverpool. Heads up and on to Liverpool, guys. At least we got the points on the board. Oh, furthermore, what phase is Unai Emery in? 3 wins out of 3. Is that what we're saying? If he beats Celtic at home, which he should, and Club Brugge away, which is his next game, is pretty much all but qualified. Just saying, guys. But don't worry. Yeah, he left a mess. No, this manager's going to leave a mess. This manager ain't good enough. Yeah, and after that squad ain't good enough. Don't want to hear injuries. Don't want to hear about injuries. Yeah, Real Madrid had more injuries than most clubs on the planet last season and still won 3 trophies. Find a way. Find a way. Build a squad capable of competing on all fronts. But he won't. And it is what it is. Round and round and round we go, wasting time, blah, blah, blah. We'll probably get a win against Liverpool. Everyone will forgive and forget about this crap. Yeah. Oh, but we won. Pick up the carpet and brush it under the carpet. Okay, mate. The amount of shit under your carpet is crazy. Yeah. But anyway, smash the like button, sub to me, sub to Lee Reacts. Check out Kenny's fan cam, Jez's fan cam, Matty's, and I'm going live in 45 minutes for an emergency meeting to dissect this absolute shit show. We are a disgrace. Yeah. Why were Top Gooners leaving on the 80th minute, by the way? Oh, probably because they were bored. Bye-bye. Everyone out. Piss off.